Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by making sure your account and device are ready. Sign into the Google account you used while traveling. Once signed in, confirm location history and web and app activity are enabled. On mobile, open the Google Maps app. On desktop, go to Maps. Google.com, then tap the menu and select your timeline. Doing this first gives you access to recorded locations and trips. Once done, you'll be viewing the timeline interface, where day-by-day records are stored and where the first review begins. Now you dig into the middle of the process. Pick a specific date using the calendar and choose a single day or a range to compare. You'll see a map with the route highlighted, plus place cards showing arrival and departure times. Tap any place to view details. Use the play or replay playback to watch movement along the route, and switch filters to isolate walking, driving, or transit segments. These steps reveal how Google reconstructed the trip, and where accuracy may vary due to signal or battery saver modes. Finish by deciding what to keep and what to correct. Export full location data with Google Takeout if you need an offline copy. Alternatively, download or screenshot specific place lists. Edit or remove mistaken stops directly in the timeline and add notes for clarity. If you can't find expected trips, check that device location and background activity were enabled, that battery saver wasn't blocking GPS, and that account sync was on. If problems persist, sign out and back in, or update the app to refresh records.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.